Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. STARBERRY MD2. Interestingly, there was a significant blueberry crisis in the United States at one point. The demand for blueberries skyrocketed, causing limited supply and an intense situation. Some media outlets even compared it to drug cartel wars. Understandably, as market sales reached $50 million, it became crucial to harvest blueberries quickly and carefully. In this regard, a revolutionary tool has emerged that has transformed the blueberry picking process. Weighing approximately 700 grams, it requires no special skills to operate. By simply placing it on a branch and switching it on, the tool can be adjusted to perform 600 to 2,000 strokes per minute, resulting in 3 times the berry yield compared to manual picking. Additionally, the set includes 3 batteries, making it even more convenient. Rotoshovel MAX. The creators of Rotoshovel MAX claim that it is not just an ordinary shovel, but rather the ultimate advancement of humanity's oldest tool. This innovative product, weighing 7 kilograms, allows you to easily and rapidly dig holes that are 48 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters in diameter. It is also the smoothest and safest automatic shovel available. If you encounter a stone, the engine automatically shuts off, and the reverse function helps free a jammed auger. With a single charge, it can be used for several hours of work. The batteries are easily replaceable and rechargeable within 2 hours. Whether you're installing a fence, preparing holes, or digging, the Rotoshovel MAX saves you time, enabling work to be completed twice as fast. You can purchase a set containing the shovel and a pair of safety gloves for $250. Sunjoe's 24V HCS LTE P1. Introducing a cordless handheld chainsaw designed to assist you in your gardening tasks. Despite its compact size and weight of only 2.5 kilograms, this chainsaw is suitable for one-handed operation and can handle branches up to 11.5 centimeters thick. It is also effective for cutting boards and plywood. Equipped with a 230-watt brushless motor, it operates cooler and quieter than its competitors. The manufacturers have prioritized simplified maintenance and incorporated safety features. No longer will you have to deal with tangled cords or struggle with heavy gas-powered chainsaws. Additionally, the interchangeable Ion Plus batteries are compatible with over 100 tools from the same brand. This chainsaw is reasonably priced at $90. Makita UB002C 36V. Next on our list, we have the Makita Backpack Blower, a product from a Japanese company known for inventing the world's first electric planer and being one of the leading manufacturers of power tools, offering over 350 different products. Priced at approximately $1,100, this blower comes with cruise control, a powerful and quiet engine equivalent to a 50cc gasoline engine, speed control, overload protection, and up to 45 minutes of operation at maximum load. The handle can be placed on either side and is adjustable in height. With the battery relocated to the back, the user experiences less fatigue in their arms. One user even mentioned that this model surpasses gas blowers in performance. GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor. A large garden requires a significant amount of watering, but using hoses, sprinklers, and other systems can be time-consuming. GARDENA, a renowned gardening equipment company, has made efforts to simplify the lives of gardeners. They have gained fame worldwide, being present in over 120 countries. Their latest innovation is a water dispenser equipped with a mini computer that enables you to water up to 6 different areas in desired order. For instance, you can start with the flower beds and finish with the lawn. The settings are highly customizable, allowing you to choose watering durations ranging from 1 minute to 4 hours on 6 independent schedules. You can make adjustments based on the weather conditions and even connect soil moisture sensors for optimal irrigation. Notably, if the soil already has sufficient moisture, the system will not activate. This German-made system is priced at around $109 for the computer and $94 for the dispenser. GLORIA FineCut. While regular or robotic lawnmowers are effective, there are areas where they can't reach, such as under stairs, near flower beds, garden furniture, and fences. To tackle these challenging spots, cordless trimmers are an excellent solution. The cordless model displayed on the screen impresses users with its double blade system, providing a neatly trimmed appearance similar to a golf course. It offers a runtime of 60 to 90 minutes on a single charge. Furthermore, if you already own any tool with a Bosch 18V power for all system, its battery can be used with a trimmer. The handle angle is adjustable and the cutting width measures 25 centimeters, allowing you to work effortlessly near obstacles like fences and curbs. H2O Wise Water Ring. According to the manufacturer, their revolutionary ring water supply and storage system is suitable for both private and commercial applications, offering water and cost savings. There are 2 versions available, a small one with a diameter of 51 centimeters and a flow rate of 38 liters per hour, and a larger one with a diameter of 63.5 centimeters and a flow rate of 57 liters per hour. All rings are made from recycled plastic and feature 45 teeth to securely hold them in place. An additional advantage is the ability to capture and store rainwater to prevent soil erosion. The larger version starts at $50, and for every ring sold, the company donates money towards tree planting. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.